to roast parsnips. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Then, peel 2 pounds, 1 kilogram, of parsnips and cut them into 2-inch, 5-centimeter pieces. Spread the pieces out in a single layer on 2 baking sheets and drizzle 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of olive oil over them. Season with salt, pepper, and your favorite seasonings, like oregano, thyme, and red pepper flakes. Finally, toss the parsnips so they're evenly coated, then cook them in the oven for 30 minutes. You'll know they're done when a knife easily pierces them.